Good morning. I don't know why I'm getting hiccups, but good morning. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And today is Sunday and we are basically planning to do a lot of stuff. So I thought why not vlog? And you guys do love my vlogs, I hope. And yeah, I'm trying to do this vlog in both Telugu and English, so it's going to be a mix of both languages. So currently I am all ready and I'm vlogging with my phone because my vlogging camera has some problem of viewfinder which I've given for the service center. I didn't come back yet, and yeah, as I was saying, so my camera is not here. I've given to the service center for some repairs and stuff, and we will be talking to them also, and I'll explain about it more in detail in the upcoming vlog. And we're going to go eat breakfast now, so let's go. So this is the one. Masala dosa, 30 rupees kada, 30 rupees. With some chutney, masala. So here's the location there. You can see the affordable stuff, and here's the location. There's so many people around. That's my tea. Wondering what days this is the place you should go to. We're back home after nice breakfast. Or today I'm planning to do a little bit of gardening stuff, and I'll show you guys what all I have. Okay guys, so I have a lot of plants as you can see, but not so much also. Actually this and the one over here and this basically are indoor plants. I have to put them inside, but they are having little trouble in adjustment and stuff, so I've put it in the balcony for some light. So I have Erica here, I have rubber plant, I have some karepaku, and yeah, a few other stuff. I actually don't remember the name of this. I think this is fiddle leaf fig. Yeah, that this is. I'm a very big fan of plants and all that, so I've asked my father-in-law to give me few seeds and stuff, because I've seen him doing in his house back in my hometown. So I thought why not, I should be doing it too. So I got these curd and also some what do you call them, paint buckets you get. So I've got like few of them, I think there are 8 or 9, and I have the seeds also with me, and I have also with me. So I'm gonna put holes in here first for every tub. Probably get some soil and mix both vermi and soil together and put them in the pots and plant the seeds. That's what we're gonna do. not really happening. I think we need a better plan. So I've got these. These are basically the cutters. So I'm planning to cut these off, like probably in a rectangle. See the hole? So I feel one hole is good enough. Oka hole chala. Oka bucket ki oka hole chala. We done with one bucket. Hey, more to go. A lot of pigeons here. You see that? Yeah, so they keep coming. Pee so much and poop so much here, and we have everything covered with that. So to reduce that, we're gonna put this up from there to there. Let's do it. Done with putting up this whole net stuff, and I need to clean up this whole mess and probably get some soil and fill this up, whole thing. So I just came back from the shower, and so today's plan is that we are going to attend a birthday party, which is my dad's friend's grandson's, which is like a very pretty long thing, but I hate going to the parties, and my dad makes sure that I do that all the time. So we're gonna have our lunch also वहाँ पे, and after that I have a little bit of work at home. So I've recently signed up for another movie project that I will be doing in February. Most probably it'll start in Feb, and I had to do a little bit of references and lookbooks and mood boards and all that stuff for that. So we need to sit down together, me and my assistant, and probably we need to work on that today itself. And I also have to edit a video, which is tomorrow's video, which is Monday's video. I didn't really think of any title for that for now, but it is definitely going to be something using hashtag, which is going to be probably a new series that I'm gonna start on my YouTube channel. So yeah, do that. And one of my subscribers asked me to do that, so she suggested me this hashtag also, which you will be seeing tomorrow. Actually वो वीडियो पहले आ गया होगा अभी तक तो. And yeah, with that said, I am also going to wear some ethnic wear. I am probably thinking of what to wear. Let me show you. So basically my wardrobe is pretty effed up. Like you see, I have very less space. So basically I put a lot of my dresses and the sweaters and stuff there, my tops and all that. Over here I have few nightwears and also tops, and here I have few ethnic sort of dresses, and I also have this cupboard. So basically this is becoming my mini wardrobe too. So I have my ethnic stuff here and some boxes of, you know, the electronic stuff, some random stuff, my hats, some makeup and all that, masks, rubber bands and all that. Over here I have few kurtas here again, which are like basic everyday wear, and I also have all my leggings and all that stuff, my jeans and all that are here again, some makeup boxes and some tools and some scarves and what do we call those, shrugs, and some more pants and ethnic wear stuff basically. And I also put this hooks from IKEA just to, you know, hang stuff where these are my brushes and all that. This has some more personal stuff, and I have one more thing here which I'll probably be using. And I also have another storage there. So I have my everyday stuff, so the jackets and few things that I would like to wear every day, and my bands and all, hairbands and all, and also this robe goes in here, which is now empty, and have my everyday makeup and a few perfumes and everyday skincare stuff. And I have my jeans that I generally wear every day. My workout wear is right there, and my, what do you call this? Oh my god, I'm very bad at it. It's my hair dryer with diffuser and all that inside, and my few laundry and all that goes there. So this is how it is. It's like very small thing. I also have my sarees placed here. I have another few bunch where my blouses, my sarees, and a few things go around here. And I also have my more sarees, like a big suitcase of this big in my hometown, which I need to get, which I'm actually not planning to get itself because I don't have space to fill them up. So yeah, let's see what I'm gonna wear today. I went so far, I don't know what I was even thinking when I'm showing you guys my wardrobe tour in a vlog. I'm planning to wear this, but I again feel it's too much for a birthday party, and I'm actually thinking of wearing the black one. Let's see. So finally I decided to wear this black dress itself. It's a suit from Manfroto, I guess. Yes, it is. And I'm not gonna iron this. This has a little bit of folds here and there, but anyways it's going to get messed up again. But I am definitely going to iron this up because that looks so chilly. I'm also going to do my makeup and get back to you again. Bye. Here I am all dolled up. I am wearing this dress. I've pressed the dupatta, and I am wearing all oxidized sort of jewelry, like this one over here, and I'm wearing my bangles, which are like again oxidized sort of ones. And I'm putting my hair up because of course I should look a little decent enough with my curly hair. This looks perfect. Let's go. So far, so good. ఇది నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది. Look at this. This is my favorite one. This has so much space, like literally so much space. I love this corner, this one. And look at it. A walk-in closet, and there's a washroom, and that's me. Okay. We basically are exploring our cousin's place. Okay. So we basically are exploring our cousin's place, not ours. So this is sort of a demo thing here, so we're just checking it out, and I'm gonna head back home now. I really love this one. Okay. We are now here at the nursery. I am here to get the soil that I wanted, so let's go. It's been such a productive day. I have completed planting all of those seeds, and all repotting and stuff is completely done. And let me show you how my balcony looks right now. Here it is. So I have shifted places also. I have put Arika there. Plants which doesn't really need so much of sunlight, I've put it over here, so that yeah, they get like minimum decent amount of light but not too much direct sunlight. So all these are here. These all have seeds. And the other plants you saw earlier here, I've actually put them in my corridor because वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा sunlight आता है, so why not? Let me tell you, like the funniest part is that I don't remember which seeds I've put in which tub. So, so I have no idea which one is what, which one is in what. Now the time is 7 o'clock and I am still pending with my YouTube video editing stuff, which is going to go tomorrow, which is Monday probably, which has already gone. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put it over here so that you can watch that video now. By the way, update of the work I was doing with my assistant, that she is going to come tomorrow in the morning and we're going to complete that. We almost completed that also, so I spoke to her on phone while I was coming back home, so everything was sort. I just have one more thing to go for this Sunday that is my editing part, which I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, I will see you guys in some time. Hey again, so it's 8:05 right now. I've got done with doing dishes and all that stuff. Everything is neatly done and everything is set. I also prepared my dinner and I had my dinner as well. And I sat on my desk to edit tomorrow's video, not this one, which is again, it's here, you can go check it out. So I'm gonna edit that and go to sleep. Probably it'll take 2 hours for me to edit, so it'll be around 10 o'clock that I'll be going to sleep. I am super tired, but gotta do what I gotta do because this video is going to go tomorrow 11 a.m. most probably. It should be going 11 a.m. by the way. So with this, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm sure this video ended up being some 15 to 20 minutes long, but I hope you guys like it for whatsoever reason. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. And yeah, I almost forgot to give the shout out to the best comment in my last video. That is drum rolls. Thank you so much for your inspiring words. I hope you guys like this video and I'm gonna end this video right here. So bye. Literally a jugaad where you can use a tripod to watch YouTube videos or maybe Netflix. Ta-da!